All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all right. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so in this channel, what we do in this channel is that we teach everything that concerns Jamb, admission, WAEC, NECO, and so many of them. And we also give update about WAEC, Jamb, and admission. And not only that, we will also assist you get admission. So I want to encourage you, if you're a Jamb candidate, okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You turn on all the bell notification because I update on YouTube almost on daily basis. Okay, almost on daily basis. So I'll be updating all the schools information, everything that has to do with the schools, all the schools information, so that you will don't want to miss out. And one thing, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, so I'll be giving you one free tips for, or one free I'll giving you something as a bonus, okay, that will give to our candidate. Okay, so that's why it is advised you watch from beginning of this video to the very end of this video so that you don't miss out. Okay, so if you're a Jamb candidate, WAEC candidate, NECO candidate, you want to gain admission this year, it doesn't matter how many years you have written Jamb, even if you have a very low Jamb score, so you can still message me on WhatsApp. Okay, so what you only do is that you let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp community. All right, so I will be right there to drop my number for you. Then you message me on WhatsApp, then you tell me all that has to do with your school, and we will let you know how we are going to assist you and how we are going to help you so that you can be able to gain admission. All right, so as long as you are one of our member, you can be one of our member and you don't get admission. All right, so today I'll be talking about Adamawa State University update. Okay, because so many of us, I know all of you guys are very very much interested in the update that has to do with your schools. Okay, so that's why we have actually taken much of our time to make sure that we'll be able to be giving you guys updates about your school. Okay, most importantly, you have finished Jamb 2024 examination. You have finished Jamb 2024 examination, and we all know that the next thing in line now is post UTME examination. That is exam they normally write after Jamb. So many of you will be asking, when is the Jamb time? When is the exam time? What are the procedures? What are the documents needed? So that is why I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all the bell notifications so that whenever I drop the updates, school will notify you. Okay, so I want to let you know for now, the Jamb, the post UTME update is not yet out. Everything that has to do with the post UTME is not, the post UTME exam registration is not out now. The reason why it's not out now, so that you can not be coming to ask me the reason why. The reason why it's not out is because Jamb hasn't finalized with the results of the 2024 UTME concluded exams. So they haven't finalized with the results. So when they do that, after that, they will have to sit for policy meeting. There they will decide the 2024 UTME national cutoff mark. Okay, so after that, some school will start selling their post UTME or screening form. So for now, the school post UTME or screening form is not out. Okay, so whenever it's out, I'll come here to let us know, and here you'll be getting information that concerns your school. All right, all schools. Okay, so and it might come a bit late. So it is advised you become one of our member in our platform. Once you are one of our member in our platform, you're not going to miss out. Okay, so once the information comes, I'll definitely put it out on the platform and you get it. All right, so and you have all the supports and all you need to know, all you need from us. All right, and let me tell you, I promise you guys that if you watch from the video from the very beginning to the end, they'll be giving you something as a support, as for free. Okay, let me tell you what I'll be giving you for free. So, benefits of becoming our 2024 UTME candidate. Okay, so one, you will have access to WAEC question and answers if you're actually a WAEC candidate. You also have access to WAEC NECO questions and answers if you're actually a WAEC a NECO candidate. Okay, and you will have access to post UTME past questions and answers for your schools. Okay, for any school at all you choose, you have wire wire past question from the school. All right, that will give to you PDF copy. All right, so to prepare you, we also have group learning. Okay, we have group learning center for arts and sciences. Okay, you meet your friends and you meet your colleagues, your friends. You can make friends there. We have a very lot of them in the platform. Okay, so you can communicate and make friends, ask questions in any topic you are finding it very difficult. All right, so the last but not the least, that's we know that when you are in school, basically you'll be finding it very difficult to hold some cash. Okay, so that's why we are going to engage you with our program activity next year. We are going to launch the program next year, so that you can be able to benefit from there. Okay, there you can save up and use the money, do some certain things for yourself. All right, so that's why it is important you become one of our members, so that when we are doing all of those things, you become a member and you benefit from there. All right, so if this is exactly what you want and this is exactly what you want, all right, so what you do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, then let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp community for other informations. All right, so until I see you, for those that is going to join, that will be joining us, until I see you in the WhatsApp room, don't forget I do love and cherish you. For those that is not joining us, until I see you again here on the platform, don't forget I love and cherish you all. All right, until I see you, keep winning.